I've been testing paper towels for months now, trying to find something that actually works without breaking the bank. Honestly, most of them just disintegrate the second you touch them. I was using a brand that cost nearly $5 a roll, and they were constantly leaving streaks. It was frustrating, especially when I was just trying to wipe up a simple spill. Then I found these Scott Choose-A-Sheet paper towels. The first thing that struck me was the packaging: 6 double rolls, which is 12 regular rolls. That's a lot of cleaning power for the price. Each towel has these deep cleaning ridges, and they really do grab the mess quickly. They're almost lint-free, which is a huge plus because I hate dealing with sticky residue. You can actually choose the sheet size. That's a clever feature. They're great for everyday cleaning, and I found them particularly useful when things get a little chaotic. I'd say the price point is fantastic, significantly less than premium brands. The only minor thing I noticed is that the packaging isn't the most robust. It did get slightly crushed during delivery, but that didn't affect the quality of the towels themselves. Seriously, these are just a solid choice for everyday messes. They hold up well, they're absorbent, and they're affordable. I was pleasantly surprised by their performance. They're definitely a step up from what I was used to. The deep ridges really make a difference. It's a simple product, but it does what it's supposed to do really well. I'm happy with this purchase, and I think you will be too. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.